One of my absolute favorite things to do during a water fast is to plan my first meal after. What do I want to eat? And it seems like every day I'm fasting, my plan changes. So I like to make a list of all the cool things that I think of in my head while I'm fasting. And I make that list and I write it down so that after my fast is over, I can incorporate those meals into my eating schedule. Making a plan like this gives me a little bit of early satisfaction, knowing that those meals will eventually be coming, even though I have to put them off for now. That's called delaying gratification. It's an actual thing. Figure that out. Sciencey terms. Yes, yes. Psychology. Aww. Alright, but beyond just planning out what my next meal is going to be, I normally have to plan out all of the different refeeding systems and do my calculations for calories and everything like that. This is going to come in a later video. For now, we're going to talk about how to make your list work for you. So, when you're fasting, a lot of what I do is I think about healthy foods that I can transition into. For whatever reason, when I'm in like a week into a fast, I don't think about, ooh, I want a hamburger and french fries with nasty ass ketchup and shit dripping off of it. That's not me. I think about, man, I want some grilled chicken with like lettuce on the side, chopped up real fine with a drizzle of ranch and maybe a sprinkling of cheddar cheese. Hard cheddar though, you know? I think about healthy things that I can eat afterwards so that the weight I take off will stay off. And this is why you need to make a plan during your fast for after your fast, the types of foods that you want to eat. You want to write this down. You want to have a written record of the way you're thinking while you're fasting, because that's when you're thinking correctly. You start thinking wrong after your fast ends and everybody around you is just, hey man, let's go get pizza. Dude, hot wings, man. It's like Wing Tuesday, man. It's like Taco Wednesday, man. It's like something, man. Let's just go eat, man. We can eat whatever, man. You're not fasting no more, right? You're done with all that, right, man? You're not like doing without food no more, are you, man? Is that what you're doing, man? So, having it all written down works out great for you later because you have something to go back and check on. You can go back and you can chronicle it. You can go back, you can reference it. You can say, oh, man, my buddy wants to go eat pizza. Well, I know for a fact that pizza has an all-you-can-eat salad buffet. So maybe I'll have a slice of pizza and a big-ass salad. So yeah, I'm not fasting. I can go with you, man. That's what's up, man. Let's go munch out, man. Keep your plan in mind. Stay focused. So many people regain the weight after a fast because they don't stay focused. You need to plan for what comes next after the fast. Now, the next several classes are going to be all about what comes after you break your fast, how to break your fast, different styles of refeeding. We're going to get into that a little later. For now, just make sure you make your list, make your plan, write it down, and keep it somewhere that you can reference it easily. Until next time, bye-bye.